Hey, this is John. I want to welcome you to the Stock Market Secrets Exposed Masterclass, which is so exciting. Before we get into it, I want to share with you a little bit of a background on the course, the seminar you're about to go through. And the reason why is pretty simple, okay? Right now, we're in a little bit of a challenging time economically. There is sort of an international pandemic that is threatening almost everyone that I know, which is honestly just really scary. It's a difficult time to be in. And for me, like, I had this course, I had this product, I called it Stock Market Secrets, and it was something that was going to sell for $1,000. And the reason why is kind of drop dead simple. Basically, people go through this course and they make thousands and thousands and I mean, they make six figures, almost seven figures, and I mean, they just crush it. And obviously, I can't guarantee results aren't typical, blah, 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 blah. You got to actually, go through the course to have the success. And so I decided that I had two options, basically. My first option was charge people a bunch of money for this and make a ton of money teaching people how to invest. And then, they go out, they invest, they succeed, they crush it. And, I make a ton of money and everyone, well, not everyone, right? Because instead of being able to serve a lot of people, I'm only able to help a couple of select individuals and then only help them make a ton of money instead of helping everybody else make a ton of money. And so my second option was basically take this course and give it away for free. And at first, I was a little bit skeptical. I was a little bit kind of like wishy-washy about it because a lot of times you give someone something for free and they don't really, care about it. They don't really value it. And a lot of times people won't even go through it. It's insane how many people just don't even, like, if I give you a free sample of something, they'll think that, oh, they shouldn't go and, get whatever it is at Costco. I mean, if Costco's even open right now, right? And I didn't want that to happen because investing is so important. It is so critical. It is so crucial because it is the base of a financial future. Like, you're here, right? You're going through, I guess, however you got here, and you put in your email to get access to a course out of speculation of like, oh, okay, I'm going to learn about stock market secrets, stuff like that. So obviously, like, you have some kind of interest in investing. And what I want to let you understand is I've been doing this, for almost a decade now, and it has totally changed my entire life and the lives of so many students. Is like, once you get good at asset management, all of a sudden you have the ability to basically write your own check, write your own income. I remember the news came out that everyone's going to get free money from the government. And I remember the same day I made the same amount as that government check in like a couple of hours. And for me, it's like, there's basically two ways to go about it, right? The first way is to go out there and not invest ever, not make any significant amounts of money ever, basically like never have a financial future. And that's how a staggering 48% of people go through life. They don't have portfolios, they don't have investments, they don't have success because they don't have assets, right? And so I decided that was not the way to go. And what I want to give you throughout this course is basically, here's how it's going to work, okay? You're going to get access to the first module. Just click the button below. It says awesome, and it'll launch you right into the first module. And every subsequent day after that, you're going to get an email from me, and it's going to say, hey, get access to the next module. Click here, and it'll take you over to the next module. And the reason I space it out is because there are literally years and years and years of investment experience packed into these modules. And so I want to make sure that you don't accidentally overlook something. And so by spacing them out over about 2 weeks, what it's going to let you do is actually really, really cool, is absorb the knowledge, understand it, and then watch the markets, right? I mean, everyone's at home, or if you're work or whatever you're doing, like, just think about and let the information you learn process, and so that you can go out there and apply it and actually turn that into money, okay? And that's really the big goal here. That's really the big motivating factor. Now, a lot of people ask me, why are you giving away this insanely valuable course completely for free? And the reason, besides this whole pandemic, is actually very, very simple, okay? I have this book. It's called 9 to Noon, The Secret Workday of Uber Wealthy Americans. It's an international bestseller, and it's on Amazon for $35, okay? Go to Amazon, you can buy it for $35. That's super cool. Look, I have a very, very, very selfish reason for giving you access to this course, and it is not a very complicated one, okay? Basically, I have a website. It's called 9 to Noon Secrets. It takes this book, I will sell you this book completely for free. I just ask that you cover a nominal shipping charge. I have like a bunch of copies of it, and I will send them out to you for just pay for shipping. And after that, there's a membership site where it's like a super nominal fee every month. And all I do is I teach you more about how to invest, really at a much deeper, more intimate level than I teach in this course. And the reason why is really simple, because I want you to succeed. And it's not like one of those, give me $50,000 and I'll teach you how to invest. Give me $20,000 and I'll teach you how to invest. Give me a $5,000, $2,000. Like, I'm not going to ask you for thousands of dollars to learn how to invest. And the reason why is because when I was starting out, I saw everyone that's charging tons and tons and tons of money for stuff that I could literally find in like 10 seconds on Google. And I was like, this is crap, right? Like, I would rather just take this money and actually invest it, right? Like, that's the point of investing, right? And so I'm not going to charge you thousands of dollars for information. I literally give away almost everything I know in 9 to noon, and the subsequent program that goes alongside that, which again is a very nominal fee. And so what I want you to do now, I want you to click the button below that says awesome, okay? I want you to go through the first module. Once you finish the first module, if you decide you want to learn more about investing, you got 2 options, okay? The first option is I have a podcast called Stock Market Secrets. Go to the podcast, binge the hell out of it because you'll learn a ton. Second option, get this book. It'll change your life, okay? And then obviously the day after, you'll get the next module, and then the day after, you'll get the next module. And at any point, like when you're going through these modules, if at any point that you want to get access to all the modules at once, plus like over thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of additional bonuses, just get 9 to noon. It comes with tons of bonus courses, tons of bonus trainings, and that implementation coaching program. And really the whole goal there is to help you become a millionaire. This is a process that I've walked through with so many students, and it's one that I want to share with you because why not, right? This is a very new time in the world economy, and it's honestly the best time to get into finance that I have ever seen in my entire investing career. And it's something that I want you to have access to now, okay? So please understand that what you're about to go through can transform your entire life if you just click the play button and watch. And that's really the goal. That's your task, okay? So click the button below, get access to the first module, and when you are ready, get a copy of this book because it will change your life, okay? Sound fair? Is that okay? All right. Thank you guys. And I will see you in the modules and hopefully in the Stock Market Secrets podcast, because there's a lot of gold in there too about underlying like psychology behind investing. If I could say the word right, I would be even better at it. But really it all just comes down to one word, and that is assets. And that's what you're going to learn in the first module of the course. So enjoy.